Hello everyone, my name is Inocencia. So today I'm going to talk about finding informational interview. I'm going to present applied communication research. A project and interview overview. So the main thing first, you need to put a goal how to understand the communication consumer inside, and a professionally used research to guide strategies and decision making. Also, we have method number 2, informationally an interview with a professional working in a research related role, academic and other more. So we also need to focus in the method as research and refugee, mentally healthy communication and consumer insight practice. One, research is always a strategic. That means we always need to put that strategic, both professionally stress that research is the most available when it answers a clear strategic. Like, first, we need to put a question, e.g., what is the decision will this data help us to make? Interviews describe studying projects by clarifying goals, audience, and how finding will be used in policies, program, or campaign. Lesson for me that I have learned before choosing the method. First, I define the really problem, who needs the answer. Term 2, we need to mix method giving a fuller picture. Interview, we need to highlight the importance of combining several, how many and how often, which interview or focus in a group and how. And then we need to note the number alone can miss a context, especially when vulnerability of a group like refugees, women. And then thirdly, the confession of this project design, which uses a several plus a qualitative interview to understand a female-specific refugee trauma of well-being. So we need to put the professionalism and emphasize informed consent. Also, we need to confidentially and not re-traumatize participants when discussing the sensitive issue, because some they will also talk about sharing results back with communities and partner in a respectful, accessible way. Reminded me that good research is not only accurate but also caring, especially in refugee trauma and a mentally healthy research. And then, so communicating with my interview, I did use a scholarly research that is from Teriba, and then we know that a family-specific trauma that most of the genders like are suffering their abuse impact. And then also I have found that other one from a mentally well-being that people they share. And also my interview emphasized in a context ethic mix method that align with those studies. So skills and tools I need to develop: the data skills to analyze the several database statistics and the coding, interview transcript, communication skill, turning complex finding into clear stories for non-academic audience like NGOs, community leaders, professional skills, networking, writing, and professional email, and following up with a busy expert. The last one. So my personally takeaway and steps, I learned that research career in communication are balanced technical skill, empathy, and clear purpose. My interview and reading motivated me to keep developing as a consumer insight and communication research professionally. And next step, I finished analyzing my interview, noted to realize my mixed method project and look for a future opportunity to assist with a refuge focus on a community service. So thank you so much. I hope you understand my presentation. Bye.